Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily apply for food stamps in Florida. So all you have to do is head over to fns.usda.gov, and from here just click on programs, then click on SNAP. And from here just scroll down, then click on how to apply. And as you can see, to apply for benefits or get information, you must contact your local SNAP office. So first is just find your state on the map below. So from here, we can just select Florida, just click on it. So from here, if you scroll down in the state application section, as you can see, you have an access here for an online application just by clicking on this link, or you can also fill out application forms. Just choose the version or language, then click on OK. A new form will then be downloaded in document file type, and all you have to do is fill out all the details being asked. Then once done, you can just submit this to your local SNAP office. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!